So when you meet young entrepreneurs, I just want to get started with this, and I'll come to individual companies, and I'll get to all that. When you meet young entrepreneurs, and what are the top problems that they face? Do you think right now, as a good thing, top problems for young entrepreneurs, young startups, that is a poker company suru garnu bhacha ni, what are the problems do you think they face at the moment?
But so from our perspective, from the fundraising perspective, I think when we meet these entrepreneurs, one is their problem is obviously they come to us because they want finance. So I think they look at their friends and family and start, but then they don't know how to go about this. How do you do fundraising? How do you prepare yourself for fundraising? Because it's not just the investor looking at the company and doing a due diligence and going through stuff, but it's also for the company to be prepared for that sort of financing or funding to come. I think that's there. Retention, especially when there is a tech element involved in tech companies and even companies who have some tech element, retention of HR is very hard. And IT tech HR is very expensive in Nepal. So that's I think another problem that they face. A supply chain, understanding of the supply chain, knowing where the value is, being able to go to market with the product that they have, or to say in other words, how to try and make other people understand what their product is and what they're trying to sell. I think those are the problems that, from our perspective, that we see with entrepreneurs right now.
At the moment.
Yeah.
Interesting. Solutions के होला त त्यसको मतलब मैले फेरि young entrepreneurs भनेर I'm not talking about age है फेरि I'm talking about when the person started the business.
Of course.
I don't think age kind of matters when you start the business.
Basically, first time entrepreneurs, let's say.
Sure.
So solution, I think, is one thing that that we've seen possibly trying to happen in Nepal, incubation centers which allow these entrepreneurs to work on their ideas and the idea validation, work on how they're going to go to market, etc. Before they do the make the product and go to market. So kasto cha bhane you either spend a lot of time in ideation and product validation and making sure you have a really good product that you can go to the market with, or you make something and you go to the market and you say yo milena yo banau. So I'm not saying either is wrong.
Both are right.
Both are right. When you look at internationally, the first one is Apple, second one is, we could say, someone like Google. And Apple will wait for things to really come to perfection before they come out. Google will bring out 100 things and then kill off that 99 of those things in the next 2 years. We've seen some really good products that just went away because they thought they'll integrate it into something else and then kill off the product.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.